There are two demo classes. First demo, 20 minutes I explain introduction, and 40 minutes I explained all this stuff. First demo. And second demo, I'll give you a recap for 10 minutes, followed by Power BI components, concepts, desktop requirements, desktop installation, self-service by example, end-to-end flow. This is second demo content. I'll give you a recap. I'm not repeating the complete demo, but I will share the video of first demo for those who are absent. Kindly walk through it. And available batches, 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 10 a.m., 5 p.m., 6 p.m., 7 p.m. And one batch is not there, 10 o'clock batch is not there now. So 5 p.m., 6 p.m., 7 p.m. So I will give you the recap of yesterday's class. Focus. So my name is Vinay and this is my contact number and call timing, and working as a senior lead consultant, and basics to advanced to the training type, 50 to 60 hours duration the training, and daily 1 hour is the class, and my 1 hour equal to for you 2 to 3 hours for practice. If I take 2 hours, you need to spend almost 8 hours in a day because a lot of navigations. Coding is less, but many navigations. It takes time for you to practice it. Easily we can understand. It does not mean we can do it easily. If you see film sets, we can see easily, but to make the sets, it takes time for you. The same thing here also. So perception, viewing is different. Presentation is different. Weekly, Monday to Friday, compulsory sessions. Monthly, 2 Saturdays, you have sessions. That too based on your interest. Class mode, online, offline, both available. And institute provides daily live class video. And we have communication through WhatsApp and multiple platforms. I showed yesterday WhatsApp communication with the students. Even today also, there are many people, not one, two people. Students ask questions like this. So can you please share the latest credentials for Power BI logon? And people ask me, sir, I'm willing to do Microsoft certification PL300. I suggest the people. And if a class completed, 9 o'clock batch completed today morning, so immediately they will get a message like this, video plays for so and so, this was the topic happened. So this was not addressed yet. And people different questions. Next. FAQs and mock interviews conducted. MSBA tabular cube classes for 1 hour. SQL sessions for 4 hours. Learn whole course, but there are 9 topics which are important. Prioritize and learn. Projects, 2 near real-time projects. Case studies, multiple case studies. So institute provide daily live class videos, materials, theory, practical, FAQs, tabular cube classes, SQL sessions, 2 projects, and multiple case studies. Training objective, real-time working perspective, interview suitable, and PL 300 examination coverage, 70 to 80%. And in case you want to generate your own reports, yes, the course is suitable. You're a business analyst or you're a senior resource in a company and you want to generate your own reports. Yes, possible by using this. So who is eligible to learn? Any graduate is eligible to learn low code, no need to write much code. And you can use Power BI in the technical side as a report developer, technical side as a BA developer, techno-functional side as a data analyst, techno-functional side as a business analyst. And also you can try like a data scientist. So Power BI plus Python plus SQL, the multiple components you can use and try as a data scientist. Okay. Next. And after this, I explained yesterday about what I'm covering with respect to real time, interview oriented, These are all the environment topics I'm covering. Data warehouse fundamental, data modeling fundamental, Agile, GitHub versioning. These are all the real-time components I'm going to cover in detail. And projects and case studies. Two near real-time projects and multiple case studies. Database knowledge, as I said, 3 to 4 hours I will cover, but that is not sufficient for your interviews. So learn whole course wherever you want to learn. And MSBA Tabular Cube classes for 2 hours. And the people who are preparing for job trials, resume preparation, I will help you. FAQs and mock interviews also conducted. Coming to Power BI subject. Cloud and on-premises available, Power BI subject. And cloud level, these components I'm covering. On-premises level, these components I'm covering. And Power Apps, Power Automate, understanding 2 hours I'm providing. So do we require all this? Yes. If you want a fruitful learning, compulsory you need to have knowledge in all this part. Otherwise, you cannot try and you cannot work in the companies. Companies level, you see some kind of project environment. And if you want to understand the environment to move on, yes, you need to have knowledge on this. And don't feel I will learn Power BI desktop, whatever I see in the YouTube and other areas, and I will work directly. Never. And you work in an environment where multiple tools, technologies, platforms, you will find it. Along with Power BI, I'm talking about along with Power BI. No company will use Power BI to perform end-to-end process and all types of operations. It is designed and is designated for reporting and dashboard generation. Besides, we need many components assistance. Next, institutes provide theory, practical material, live class video, complete practical on the training, resume preparation sessions, WhatsApp group also created, and you will be having good interaction with me during the classes, even after the class. And you want to try as a technical resource, Power BI developer, technical, functional, everyone helpful. But technical, you want to try less than 5 years. Then what are the opportunities available? So Power BI developer plus SQL. And here DAX and Power BI both. What is DAX? It is a low code language, functional language available in the Power BI to implement calculations plus DAX, SQL. You can try as a support resource. You can try as an admin. And you can try as a Power BI plus MSB resource. You can try as a Power BI plus Tableau or ClickView resource. And Power BI plus Azure ADF plus Data Lake. So these are the different opportunities available. Next, Power BI senior roles above 5 years. You can try as a modeler, designer, specialist, architect, etc. But compulsory minimum 2 projects end-to-end knowledge is required to work on this. Okay, this one. Technical and more experienced resource, what you can try. So this is what I covered last class, and also I covered data, IT applications, BA applications, Power BI, Power Platform, Fabric, this hierarchy also, very important. I'm not explaining again, but go through the PDF document and multiple document which I shared with you. This was your drive last class I prepared. I believe you all got access on this. This was the folder, first demo, and today's second demo also in the same place. No need to ask anyone. Just go and follow it. So we are going to see a small example as well today. So first demo documents and video also available. The people who all provided email ID, they will receive access on this. And online people who just joined, kindly provide your email ID and mobile number. In case you want to talk to me, I'm providing my contact number. Yes, kindly call me on my number. Right, sir. Right. Now, what is today's part? Today, I decided to explain Power BI components, concepts, desktop requirements, installation, self-service BI example, end-to-end flow. This I'm going to explain. Let me start now. And before that, if you want to ask any questions, kindly ask. Online, offline people, any questions you want to ask? Shall I continue?
Yes, sir.
Right. Please see this. What is BI? I clearly explained last class. Uh, Business intelligence, abbreviation, intelligence to the business, decision making or analysis of the business. In this area, you can convert your normal data into decision making data, and the data presented in the form of visuals and insights. So what is visual? A graphical component which displays data or data in graphical presentation. It is a visual graphical component. Visual, 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 visual. Insight, accurate and deep understanding of data. So here if you show accurate data and deep understanding of data, insight, accurate and deep understanding of data, accurate and deep understanding of data. Account to business intelligence, input is any data, any type, anywhere. Output is report or dashboard. The report or dashboard. I told you the difference between them. Report containing detailed data and dashboard containing high-level data. Usually a company contains many reports, but dashboards are very limited because high-level presentations are limited. Even I told you one small example. Savings account for a bank, withdraw one report, deposit one report, order processing one report, loan processing one report. Coming to dashboard level, this all combined into single one, savings account dashboard. Similarly, saving current account dashboard, multiple operations in a single area with high level business data. Understand? So what is BI and what is the input and output of BI? I clearly explain here. Now coming to Power BI. What is Power BI? Simple definition, powering BI. And definition one, adding more power to BI. Definition two, it is a self-service BI with low code, comma, cloud and on-premises supportive, cloud and local server supportive, reporting and visualization tool or service to generate reports or dashboards. So multiple points, self-service BA, end-to-end we do, low code application, code is less, cloud and on-premises both supported, reporting and visualization tool or service to generate reports and dashboards. These kind of reports and dashboards you can generate. So Power BI level input is any data, anywhere, any type. Output is report or dashboard in the Power BI. In which year Power BI announced? In July 2013. And what about versions? We don't have versions and we have monthly updates in Power BI. So what is BI? What is Power BI? I clearly explain. So please do not write anything online, offline people, just listen to it. You will get the video, you will get the documents, then whatever you want to do it. My recommendation, take a printout and whatever additional you want to write it, write on top of it. Yes, ask your question, please. You raise your hand. Pair, could you please ask your question? Okay, then. Now, I want to tell you what are the components we have in Power BI and how do you work on it. So what is the report? Detailed data presentation component, data presented in the report. And what it contains? Visuals. And visuals talk about insights. Good. And coming to reporting, there are two types of reporting in IT industry. First one, non-paginated report. So like this, no pages. So we have multiple visuals and data is not divided into multiple pages. And this is called advanced reporting. So like this, you will find and data not divided into multiple pages. An example, Power BI desktop. Second one, paginated report. First point is clear. Here data is not divided. If you click 17 data, it will show. 18 data, it will show. Even if you click on here, it will show respective location data. Data is not divided. And we use a component called Power BI desktop. Now come to second reporting, paginated reporting. Please see this. Here, data divided into multiple pages and each page is printable. Each page is printable. An example, you have 200 records in a table and you want 10 10 pages. Every page 20 records. This is called pagination and a report builder, Power BI or SSRS, SSDT. These kind of tools we use it. Look at this. Page 1, next. Page 2, next. Page 3, next. Page 4, next. You can go. 10 records or 20 records, you will see. So non-paginated report, paginated report. Sir, is it really important? If you go to job description, with respect to Power BI, 90% institutions, 95% institutions, they explain only non-paginated. Even if you go to YouTube and many areas, only non-paginated. But paginated is very important. The people who learn from working professionals and good knowledge people, good knowledge resources, they will only come to know about this. If you go for interview, 100% they will ask you this. Let me open a job description. Power BI, comma, paginated. Okay, I will go after 2 minutes, no problem. For the time being, this is clear? Right. Then how many components available? Power BI components. Power BI has 8 components and 4 concepts. 8. First, cloud components. 2. Power BI desktop for report development. These are all the concepts we implement. And Power BI service for cloud report storage and management. So desktop, this is a component for report development, and these concepts it will implement to develop a report. This is Power BI service, cloud report storage and management. So from here to here, the reports are moved. And from here only, the end users will access. Next, on-premises components. Report server desktop, report development, and these are the concepts. And moving to on-premises server, and from here, end users will access. Cloud components, on-premises components. Now other components, Power BI report builder, Power BI embedding, Power BI developer, Power BI gateway. And these two are used Power BI desktop, reports are desktop, report development, but non-paginated. Non-paginated. And remaining for different purposes, but this is for paginated reporting. And this is for developing your own visuals. Power BI level, we have a set of visuals. And you felt like, yes, these visuals are not good, these visuals not suitable for your requirement, then you can develop your own visuals. That is Power BI developer tool. It's a tool, not a role. It's a tool. It is not a designation or a role. It's a tool available in Power BI to develop your own visuals. Next, Power BI embedding. You want to place your Power BI reports in social media, Facebook, Twitter, etc., or your blog, company website, other areas, then go for embedding. Next, gateway. It will provide the communication between on-premises to cloud. For example, Hyderabad data or a report at Hyderabad, data at Hyderabad, it will go to cloud. Then we need intermediary between them, and that is gateway. On-premises to cloud, we require gateway. So these are the 8 components available. Report development, cloud service, report server, desktop for development, report server, paginated reporting, Power BI embedding, Power BI developer, gateway. Please look at the words. So do you need to learn all this? At least basics you need to learn. 97% people use this. So 95% people when compared to this. And this nowadays people are using strongly. So you need to learn this Power BI desktop and paginated report builder. What if you don't learn? Very simple. I'm opening Power BI, Power BI, paginated. It's a Naukari. See, there is a role, Power BI admin. Last class I told you we have admin role as well. Click on it. Senior data analyst, 3 to 5 years. Senior big data developers. Power BI developer, 2 to 5 years. 2 years experience. 2 to 6 years experience. No problem. Let me open and see. 2 to 5 years relevant experience required. And admin knowledge is needed. I just use the word Power BI service. So this is the service. Cloud. So when you learn from YouTube and other places, you learn only desktop, not service. But service is very important. You want to perform administrative roles, or you want to place the report and share with customers. This is required. I'm going to take 10-hour classes on this. 10-hour classes. Service. Power BI service. Administration. I use one more word. What is that? Gateway. And Power BI modeling reports. And what is this? Page-related reports. Clearly asked. And go to next one. 3 to 5 years. Power BI using SQL queries. It's a Power BI SQL opportunity. Please look at this Power BI SQL opportunity. And I use one thing called Agile Development Software Methodology. So with respect to real time. And you will not see visuals usage or some other usage. Always companies will give the job description like this. See, they clearly mention 5 years of experience on Power BI stack, Power BI, Power Query, DAX, page-related reports, Power BI service. So our course is covering this, absolutely covering this. Next opportunity, 7 to 8 years more experience. It's data science project actually. This is the opportunities are different. See, software development lifecycle with Agile. Our course covers this basics at least. Power BI solution. See, reports, dashboards using Power BI desktop. Please look at this. Anywhere page reports available. It is security, DAX. See, Power BI desktop and service. That means this company purely developing reports here, moving to cloud. So Power BI report builder, page reports. And I use the word Power BI embedded available. And something called GitHub available. Yes, Neeraza, ask your question. Right. So what are these components? I clearly explained. Now I'm going to explain this one practically. I'll show you practically what it is, how do we download, how do we install, how do we develop a report. Please see this. This is your day-to-day data. Very simple data I'm taking. My family expenses data. Daily amount, reason, area, location available. In lockdown period, I type this information. Simply my daily transactions available. And usually this kind of data, we call it as transactional data or OLTP data. This data I want to convert like this. Total amount, average amount, max amount, minimum amount, year, month, one bar chart, one pie chart, one mapping visual. This is OLTP data. This is OLAP data, analytical data. And I want to convert this data into this. And this is a component helpful for you, Power BI desktop. And this component will do these operations. First, it will bring the data, extraction. Second, transform the data. If the data are not in proper shape, bring it, make it proper shape. And then establish relationship, third step. If security needed, yes, added security. Last one, presentation, visuals. These 5 steps it will implement on this data and finally generate BA data, business intelligence data. Since it is doing end-to-end all operations, we call this as self-service BI. What do we call it? So Power BI desktop is a self-service BI application. And what about operating system? Windows 8 or above is good. Minimum RAM is 2 GB and minimum processor is 2 GHz sufficient. So this data conversion into this and with self-service BI process. Over. Right. Now I will explain something additional focus. Desktop. What is desktop? The place where we do operations graphically. Windows desktop, Tableau desktop, Power BI desktop. In all this area, operations are graphical. And Power BI desktop, Power BI graphical operations area. And the Power BI desktop having 3 words, Power BI desktop. Power indicate adding additional features. BI indicate which will take data and generate reports and dashboards. Desktop indicate graphical operations area. So 3 words combination is Power BI desktop. So what is desktop? What is Power BI desktop? Clearly given here. Next, input to desktop. For this desktop, the input is data, any format, any storage. Output from the desktop document contains report information, data information, both. Got clarity? Next, requirements. OS, Windows 10 or above. but 8.1 supported with higher version of patches and all, higher version of patches. And in general, 10 or above is good. Minimum 2 GB RAM, but 4 GB is recommended. Processor minimum 1.5 GHz, 2 GHz is recommended. These three clear? Right. Display, landscape, font size. This I will explain you later. But for high level, I will tell you, Power BI having wonderful visuals. So ensure you are having high resolution machines, minimum 2K. Normal cinema cinema theaters are 2K. A couple of theaters are 4K. And nowadays we are purchasing TVs of 4K, 4K UHD, 4K, then normal 4K, and LED, QLED, Neo LED, and different LEDs for crystal clarity. So if you want to enjoy with Power BI visuals, and minimum 2K resolution is good. And landscape orientation reports two types of view. This is called landscape view, and this is called mobile view. Mobile, and this is landscape. Some people say web view. Some people say desktop view. And this is mobile view or portrait view. So you decide before developing a report what type of view you're actually looking for, mobile view or web view. Accordingly, you develop a report. These are all we need to concentrate, and before working on Power BI reporting, they play a vital role. Your customer may complain, I'm not able to see the report properly in the mobile. Maybe the report is not optimized for the mobile. If the report is not optimized for the mobile and the mobile level, it will not appear properly. So we need to focus on both almost all the times. While working with Power BI, the font size is 125 or above, you take it in your system level to work it better. And type of system, this is the most important one. Microsoft given two types of software, 32-bit software, 64-bit software. Ensure what type of system you are using, accordingly download. So 32-bit or 64-bit. And there is a big note. Don't ask anyone regarding the software download and installation. Google it. You will get the instructions and you take the instructions. Follow it. Even after 2 years, after 3 years, you want to work on it, Google it, download, follow the instructions. Microsoft keep on changing. Nobody can remember. So just Google it and do it. And let me go to my machine system type, sysinfo. This is search area. I click sysinfo. And here the username available. Okay. And remember this. Next, here my machine type is available. What is this? And my OS is Windows 11, Home Premium, 13th generation Intel, and sufficient configuration. 64-bit. Then how do we download the software and install it? So what is my system type? 64-bit. See guys, coming to download, Google it and download. This is the first one. So normal download from Microsoft Store. Advanced download do not require any account. Second one, go to Power BI service, download Power BI desktop, 2 ways. Okay. First one, Microsoft Store download. Second one, advanced download from the Google, or go to Power BI Cloud and download. In the real time, we prefer this. For classroom perspective and demo perspective, I will explain you the second method. This is the one, advanced download. Shall I show you? Don't worry, in the regular class, while working on it, you will get multiple Power BI accounts. Use the accounts and download. You will get Power BI accounts for your practice. Remember, cloud accounts, right, sir? Power BI desktop download. I typed it. Download Microsoft Power BI desktop from official. Always read the information given by the Microsoft. And here select the language. Click download. So here the version details available. Here system requirements available. Installation instructions available. Just follow this. Don't ask anyone. Just read the information, read the details, go through the requirements, follow the instructions. I'm just clicking download. It's a very simple one. It is for 32-bit machine. This is for 64-bit machine, x64. Select it and download. If it is downloaded, you will see in the download area, Power BI desktop. It's not available. Maybe I kept somewhere. This is a Power BI desktop. Just click on it after download. Next, finish. And it will ask you, I accept terms and conditions. That's it. And along with that C drive or D drive, where do you want to install? Very simple. Download, click next. Mention where do you want to install. Okay. That. So once it is done, you will find a shortcut on the desktop. There's a shortcut here. And we need to work on this one. And before that, where is my data? Guys, this is my data. I want to use it for report generation. Family expenses data. Let me open the Excel data. Please see this, everyone. My family expenses data. This is one family expenses information. Render date, reported by Mr. Kishore. Day, amount, reason, area, location. This data I want to present in easy understandable way. How is it possible? Through visuals. Our tool is ready. What is our tool? Power BI desktop. Just click on Power BI desktop. So you have input data and you have software. Open the software. This is the main interface. It will take some time to understand, but high level, home, blank report, everything you want to develop from scratch. And this is one lake data hub. So from one lake, you want to bring the data and generate a report. This is Excel workbook, SQL server, etc. I'll click on blank report. Okay, blank report is ready. And this is called as self-service BA interface, because end-to-end we do it, and also color-blind friendly interface. If you have data, you can extract, you can transform, you can model, you can secure, you can visualize, you can generate BA data. Over. These are all operations. First operation, second, third, fourth, fifth. So 1 is here, 2 is here, 3 is here, 4 is here, 5 is here. All the operations you are able to do nearby. This is the reason people love Power BI. They need not go to other tools and other platforms to perform end-to-end process. Simple Power BI is sufficient, and where you have all the near navigations to perform your business intelligence process. So if you pass your data, these 5 areas will help you to convert your normal data into decision-making data. And this will bring the data. This will shape the data, establish relationships, secure, and visualize. Fixed process. Daily you come across the same. You feel bored after 2 days. Same terminology. First day it looks complex or panic. What is this? But daily use the same. One report you create, 100 reports you create, same process. Same process. But it will take time on the demo day to digest everything. In case you have already gone through some videos in the YouTube and other areas, it will be cakewalk for you. Very easy for you, and you may feel like very simple. Purely depending on your state of learning. Fresh state, one way. Experienced state, different way. Right. This is fine. Now I'll explain you some additional features. So process I said, and here couple of options available. Let me complete it quickly. This is called quick save, and this is undo and redo. This is title of the application. This is search, anything you want to search. This is Power BI account, minimize, maximize, closing. And this is called menu ribbon, file menu, home menu, insert menu, modeling menu, view menu, optimize, help, external tools, menu ribbon tabs. Some people say menu tabs. And this is home, underline, home ribbon. So home ribbon options. And these are the views available. And this is called report view. Here we take visuals plus data. This is called grid view. Data available. This is called relationship view. Table, relationships, views. So report view, grid view, relationship view. And this is DAX query view. And here we have desktop or web view. And here we have mobile view. This is page 1, click plus, page 2, page 3, page 4, page 5, etc. And this is called filter pane. And this is called visualization pane. So what are these? Here you find filter options. Here you find visuals. And this is called as pane manager. What do we call them? Pane manager. See different options. And there are few more options available. I will tell you tomorrow's class. And the most important one, this is the one. This is called report canvas. What do we call them? A report canvas. And down you will see one information here that is called storage mode. What type of mode we are working on. And one more you will see here to download the fresh software. Once again, a very quick wrap up, quick saving, undo, redo, title, account, minimize, maximize, closing, menu tabs, menu ribbon. And this is report view, data view, relationship view, DAX query view, report canvas, web view or desktop view, mobile view, multiple pages, filter pane, visualization pane, pane manager. All okay? So what to do guys now? So this is the first operation, second operation, fourth operation. This is the fifth operation. And where is the second operation? Second, not second, third. So every report pass through all the phases. 1 and 5 compulsory. Data and presentation compulsory. Shaping depending on the situation. If it is not well shaped. And relationship, that too depends. And security, situational. So 2, 3, 4 situational, 1 and 5 compulsory. Shall we start practice? Right. First go to 1. Click on it. Excel. Semantic models. More. When you click more sources you find. Around 1,000 sources you are able to connect. Very powerful Power BI because of this reason. Any data, any type of data, any storage data, it can connect and bring. And that is available here. Now, this is 1. And I'm selecting here Excel workbook. Simple, right? So don't note down any navigations, just follow it. I'll give you a practical material to practice today. Today you practice, then only you see the comfortness of the tool. So then only you'll get comfortness of the tool. Enjoy with one practice first. Sample practice, then you take your learning. Don't do it directly. I'll give you the navigations, material, everything. Just follow it. In case material you're not able to follow, navigation difficulty, then go through the video, it'll guide you. So where is it? This is my file, open. It'll open what are the worksheets available. I mentioned this, click load. So guys, when you bring the data, it will bring and open like this data pane. What is this pane? Data pane. See guys, this is a data pane or data set area. Some people say data set area, some people say semantic model area. That is later, but simply data area. Ready? I want to see this data. If you want to see here, there is something called table view. Which view? Table view. Just connect and see. Click on the table view, look at the data. Is it in proper shape? Is it in proper shape? No. Why? Could you guys tell me why? First one, column by column data not available. Column by column data not available. And if you want to make this column by column, date, amount, reason, and area, location, like 5 columns if you want to make, first delete this. Second, make this as column heading. And third, split the data. So 3 changes compulsory required if you want to make this proper column by column data. How many changes? 3. Shall I? Right. Then where do we do it? 1 is okay. I need to go to 2. In case you feel confused, always go to report view. From here, navigations are easy. Click on this, transform. Since shape is not good, go to transform. See, this is a window. What is this window? Power query window. See, you can navigate. This is the only one window system will open in Power BI desktop level. Additionally, there are no other windows. Only one window because shaping is a complex job. So separate window given. Right. And what I need to do, as discussed in this query or in this table, remove the first one and make this as column heading. Later, split into two parts, right? I will go to this corner. I have something called remove top rows. In this corner, sir, how do you remember? Don't worry, once you practice all the navigations once, you can remember. So click on remove top rows. I mentioned one. See the beauty of Power BI with respect to options, navigations, nearby navigations, and beautiful options. So number of rows, one. Okay, top row removed. I want to make this as column heading. Click on this. Use first row as header. Is this done? Ready. Sir, can you show me again? In the right hand side, the steps will be added. When you do something, you can cancel this, cancel this, cancel this. Once again, click on this, remove top rows, one. Okay. I want to make this as column heading. Click, use first row as header. Letter. And here you are having area and location. I want to divide into two parts based on hyphens. Then right click here, right click. There is something called split column by delimiter. Shall I? Delimiter means separator. What is a separator? Two hyphens is a separator. Two hyphens is a separator. Every occurrence, fine. Click OK. Don't worry about all. Just mention two hyphens. Just mention two hyphens. Okay. Area location. This is area. This is location. Understood? So once all operations completed, go to home. There is something called close and apply. So click close and apply. So what is this? Close means simply closing without saving. Apply means apply the changes or save the changes. Close and apply. Save the changes and close. Shall I? Yeah, that window closed. Operations completed, window closed. And you can go to table view and see the information properly available. Now it's ready for analysis. So what is the next step? One, two, three. Three relationships. One table. What type of relationship you can establish? Not possible. So go to four. Four. I did not explain anything about security, so not required. Only one thing pending, fine. Visualization. So my intention is this. I will go for the fifth one. Clear off. My intention is developing this. This report. So, and here set of visuals available. Those visuals I will show you. Kindly focus. And I'm able to show single value, sum of amount, average of amount, max of amount, min of amount. And this is called a card visual, card visual, card visual, card visual. Four card visuals. Card visuals for single value. And it is a slicer visual. The visual name is slicer. It is for filter, manual filter. It is also a slicer for manual filter. It is a bar chart. Bar chart for comparing. It is a pie chart for composition of locations. It is a mapping visual, mapping information. If I select 19 in August, 19 August values, 19 August, 19 August comparisons, composition, locations. This I want to show. Hardly 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. Look at this. So these are card visuals, slices, bar, pie, this. The same thing I will explain in the regular class around 3 to 4 hours. because you need to know what is card and what are the operations we can do. Slicer, multiple examples and FAQs. Even each and every visual, I'm going to spend half an hour time. But demo level, we don't have that much time. I just want to showcase one example, so I'm showing it. At first one, I will take a card visual. Click card. Done. You minimize it if you don't want this. Every visual operation, three-step process. First step, select the visual. Second step, field, assign field. Third step, assign formation. So three-step process. How many step process? Any visual you take, three-step process. Let me start. Ready. I want to show in this area amount total. So click add data, amount you mentioned. What it is showing? Sum of amount. Next, click card, second visual. Max amount, sorry, average amount required. So go to data, amount you click, sum it is showing. By default, it will show sum. You want to change it to average. So click on this, sum place, take average. Take card visual, add data, amount, click on this, sum place, max. Take card visual, add data, amount, take here in this area, in this drop down. If you want to change sum to some other, just click on it, min amount. Is it okay? Oh. So just select the card field, change the aggregation. Done. I want to format. I will go to this. This is formatting area. How do you want to format? I will minimize this. I will minimize this. So call out value. This is called call out value. This is called category label. Just go and format. Click call out value. 45 no, 30 size. I'll take blue color here. None here. Similarly, category label, bold, this color, 20 size. Or 15 size. Ready? And for every visual, I need a border. Border available in the common property here, visual border. Ready? But the same format I want to copy for the remaining three. Highlight, format painter. Please see this. Highlight, format painter. Click on it. This format you want to copy here. Highlight, format painter here. Format painter here. All of you okay? Good. Next, I want to take a manual visual filter. Guys, don't worry. Here available, whatever missing, you can take. Data, this one. If you want data, this is the one. Visual you require, go to this. Formatting, this one, only three. These three we use it. Now, visual filter required. This is a slicer visual. Please look at this. Slicer. Click. I will take here. Field. Add data. First visual. Second field. How to formation. Slicer also. First field, I want to show here year. Under date, year I'm taking. Now format. And format level, you are having settings. What type of slicer setting you want to have? Expanded. This is between, and vertical list is this. Tile is this. Drop down is this. Less or equal to is this. Greater than or equal to is this. Vertical list is this. Values. I will minimize it. So slicer header. This is a header. Click on it. 18. Border. Blue color. Or this color. Values. Bold. Blue color. Just formatting, guys. Don't worry. Uh, When you click on this visual and format, it will show you the options and change it. Similarly, month I require. Border is missing. So go to size and style, visual border on. I want month slicing. Control C, Control V. And here I need month. So go here. First field right. Remove this. Add data. Date table month. And there are many months available, guys. There are many months, but I don't want these many. And what are the months you want to take? Just go to filters. In the filters area, click on drop down. Here, July and August months. July and August. So this is filtering. If in case any content you want to filter, just go to filter, and I selected only those two it is showing. Now let me show. Keep your focus here. 19 if you select, 19 data everywhere. 20 you select, 20 values. 20 my total spending, average spending, max spending, minimum spending. If I select August, 20 August values. And press Control and select July. Press Control, select July. So 20 July and August data. Over. What next? Next one, I want to compare this. Reasons, top reasons for spending, bottom reasons for spending I want to have. And then click on visual bar chart. It's a bar chart. Next, y-axis. This is y-axis, this is x-axis. Y, x, what do you want to take? Y-axis level reason, x-axis level amount. Reason, amount. Sir, can you show me a little bigger? There is something called focus mode. Click on it and see. Food and travel, highest spending. Petrol and books, lowest spending. And you can keep cursor here. You will see a tooltip. That is called tooltip. Food, what is the total value? Travel, total value. Internet, total value. Environment, so entertainment, total value. Top spending, bottom spending. I'm going to this. I'm not applying colors and all. Just one format option I will take, a routine option. Visual border for better appearance. That's it. In case you want to have a title for this, yes, go to format level, There is something called title, and here you mention a title. Bold, title center. I'll give a color called blue color, background yellow color. Title. And what are the title you want to write? Write it here. Title color font. Next, I want to show each location how much percentage of money I spent. This is reason-wise spending. Put reason, how much money spent in travel purpose, how much money I spent. But location-wise percentage money, percentage. Then go to pie chart. This is called composition visual. Composition. And here legend available. Legend means category. Click on this location. And value level amount. Location wise amount. And click cursor here. Hyderabad 40%, Visakhapatnam 40%, Vijayawada 15%, and blank 1%, something like this. Location wise percentages. And I'll go here. Suggestion style. Got clarity? So click on it. Click on this. Title if you want to take title. Text color. Last one. Build area. I will take visual, mapping visual. This is a map. Click map visual. And location. Click location. Location I'm taking. Map visual location. So it is showing locations. Expand bigger. I took this. I mentioned location. See my business location, sorry, my travel locations available. But if you want to control with business, go down, location, go down, bubble size, add here amount. Wherever more spending, bigger bubble. Wherever normal spending, average bubble. Less spending, small bubble. More spending, average spending, less spending. More, average, less. Got clarity? Good. I will go back and I will go to formatting, routine option. So if 20 data, 20 locations, 20 August locations, 20 July. So 19, 20 July, 19 July, like this. Changing. And not only this, even you click on this, it will change other visuals. Even you click on it, it will change other visuals. This is called cross highlighting or cross filter concept. What do you call this? Cross highlighting, cross filter. When you click on one visual, other visual will change automatically. So this is the beauty of Power BI. When you click a visual, other visuals will change. And you have separate changing visual, they will also change. And I will save this visual. So I will save this page. File menu. And online people who just joined, kindly provide your email ID and mobile number. You will receive yesterday and today demo video and demo documents. And you want to talk to me, this is my contact number. Last 3 minutes. So please provide. Right. This is the one. You want to save it, routine. File menu, save. And I will save under 10M folder, no problem. Or my desktop also fine. 9M September. VinayTech demo report. What is the extension? PBX. And Word documents usually with .docx, Excel documents with .xlsx, Power BI documents with .pbx. Understood? So PBX indicate it's a document, not a report. Click save. But in this area, customer require only this view. He does not require the transformation area, modeling area, security area, menu ribbons. Only this. How do you share? So this tool is free, downloadable. You can use it. Download, use it. But this you want to move to customer, compulsory a server or service is required, cloud service. I will connect and show you now. That's the last one. app.powerbi.com. This is your Power BI cloud. I'm clicking on this. I'm already having an account. It opened the account. There is something called working area. 10 a.m. or 9 a.m. 9 a.m. Upload, browse, and your report in an area called 9 a.m. demo report. Click open. See guys, where the report comes to cloud, it will divide into 3 parts. Power BI desktop level. Please see this. This is your folder where you saved your report. Where is the report? Demo report, yes. Today, 6:18. This is your report today at 6:18. Document. But when it comes to cloud, divide into 3 parts. Report area, data area, dashboard area. If report you want to share, then click on report. So cloud level report looks like this. So 19 data, 20 data, Zulai, all working. In case you want to share, there is an option called share here. Share, who you want to share. I'm sharing to a particular user, send. He will receive an email link. A daily in a particular time you want to share. Then go to these 3 dots, subscribe, subscribe, new subscription and do it. Daily in a particular time it will go. Now customer asks PDF report, export PDF. Customer asks just PPT report, PPT. A customer asks, I need Excel data. I will generate my own report. Possible, Excel. And if customer requested, no, give me the QR code. I will scan the report. Generate a QR code and share with the people. Next, last one. Some customers asking, I want to show in my Facebook level, Twitter level, website level, blog level. Give me a link, report link. This is a report link, embed report link. If you click on it, you will find the links. So Power BI report from the cloud only shared to other people. On-demand sharing, schedule sharing, PDF sharing, PPT sharing, link sharing, QR code sharing, multiple ways. Is it beautiful or not? That's why without cloud, your learning will not complete. From cloud only, everything happens. So you need accounts and we will practice with the accounts. So this is what I planned as part of demo. An example, bringing the data, transforming, visualizing, and presenting this. And we plan for 2 demo classes. First demo, this is the content I covered. Second demo, this content. And both you will find the videos in this folder. Videos and documents, look at this. Who all provided email ID, mobile number, they can see this. Next. And coming to conclusion. So my name is Vinay and this is my contact number, my call timing, the class duration 50 to 60 hours. And yesterday, today and demo classes. From tomorrow 5 p.m. regular class. Tomorrow onwards. Regular class. Daily 1 hour. My 1 hour equal to 2 to 3 hours for you. Live class videos we will share. Communication, WhatsApp in multiple ways. Material theory, material practical provided. FAQs and mock interviews conducted. And tabular cube classes conducted. SQL sessions for 4 hours. 2 near real-time projects and multiple case studies. My training objective is this. These are the general frequently asked questions, and you can use Power BI for all these purposes, technical, non-technical. I'm done with the demo. Now you ask your questions.